right, so this is going to be my next video in my optimization series so that you can keep your Google grant set up for success. And today we're going to be talking about getting comfortable with segments, everybody's favorite. So this is basically something that you should really be utilizing in your optimizations when you are taking a look into your account, checking on performance and just seeing what's working. You want to get comfortable with segments and being able to segment out your data to get more information on really how your users are converting and so forth. So let's go ahead and jump into the platform. I'm just going to set the segments at the account level, at the campaign level. And segments are located right here. So I'll just hit none. And I am always so surprised by marketers who actually don't know about this segment. Every single time I look into an account, I always have a segment set, always, just as default, because I want to see more data than it's just shown in your typical campaign level. So in order to set my favorite segment, you'll want to go ahead and click into the segment here. And then we'll go conversions and then conversion action. So now what's happened is that all of the campaigns are listed here, but also we have the new segments that have just come below the campaign name, which will tell us the exact conversions that have been driven by this campaign. Okay, so without this segment, if I were to turn it off, we would know that this campaign drove 2 conversions, but we wouldn't know what conversions they were, right? So I, as a marketer, want to be able to see straight away what conversions are being driven. So I always have this conversion action filter set by default anytime I log into an account so I can see. Okay, so this is, like I said, my favorite segment to utilize. Another one that I see nonprofit marketers utilize that's pretty interesting as well is segment device. So this will give you the performance by device. So I know everybody loves to see how their ad grant is performing by device. So here you'll be able to see that both of the conversions that have come from this campaign came from computers rather. We can also see spend by device as well, and so forth. So that's another segment you can utilize. There are heaps of other segments, like you can fully get lost in segments if you're anything like me, but I would try to focus on device and conversion action. So always have your conversion action set and then flip back and forth between device if so that you really just get more educated information on your conversions and your people that are converting on site. Now I recommend, like I said, always having this segment on. However, when you're coming in once a month, once every 2 weeks, you want to make sure that you are utilizing this segment. All right, so is that an optimization? You tell me, but I wanted to go ahead and give you that very quick tip on how to segment out your campaigns by conversion action so that you can see all of this juicy data on the one really beautiful summary screen. All right, so if you want to get my entire sheet of 30 plus optimizations for your Google grant to make sure that you're set up for success, there's going to be a link below this video, so go ahead and grab that while you can. All right, I'll see you in the next video.